Some things in life are bad, they really make you mad. Other things, they make you swear and curse. You're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle, and this'll help things turn out for the best. Ready, 2 or 3. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten. That's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're down in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. Go! Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. Life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. Must always face the curtain with a bow. Forget about your sin, give the audience a grin. Enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life.